Take a ride in the 2018 Chevrolet Express 2500. The Chevrolet Express 2500 has soldiered on for nearly 4 decades, with only one major redesign happening during that time. A rolling testament to the if it ain't broke, don't fix it school of vehicle design. The Express offers a passenger van's timeless features of powerful engines and space, and even more space. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, hands-free communication, trip computer, MP3 playback stereo, bucket seats, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.